All right, so it's time to introduce my scanner, the Tri Signal Scanner, available right now. So you'll be able to access it with a link that I'll have in the description below. So, what is it and how does it work? Essentially, all it does, and so right here, we have a Verizon. So, we literally just got this signal 33 minutes ago. This was a Verizon short symmetrical triangle. And so here's the chart right here. You can actually see it. And I can even draw that symmetrical triangle. So this was 30 minutes ago. So it was something like this on the chart, a beautiful looking symmetric triangle. Will it go down and hit the target? So the target is 38.21. So it's actually not even too far away. A lot of these trades are very quick. That's the wrong one. Let's do this one right here. A lot of these trades are very quick, and sometimes they can trigger the next the very same day. And so that's what's really awesome about an alert service like this. I've wanted this, guys. I've wanted this for since I've started trading triangles. I'm very excited to announce this. It's going to be stocks. It's going to be crypto. So we have altcoins. We have forex in there. So all you forex guys, I'll be happy to show anybody any tickers you want or anything like that. Specifically, you can even leave a comment or anything like that. I would appreciate it. But essentially, this is how it works, guys. It's literally that simple. You go on the scanner, you see the exact same the trade play out, and then I have some really awesome stuff. Exactly how I take these trades. I'm not in this one. I'm too busy doing a 1,000 other things right now, so I'm not ready to take some of these trades right now. I'm in a couple, but not this one in particular. But look at this. We got Verizon. We have an AMD that's breaking out. So check this out. So look at this symmetric triangle, and you don't even have to have an indicator on your chart. Look at that nice. See, I just know just by seeing it that was a nice little breakout. And this was when we got the alert right here, a beautiful breakout of a triangle. Now, how nice would that be to not have to be staring at your charts, not having to be in front of them, and still getting really good signals like that. And I have some really cool stuff. I'm going to be doing live in-house training with all the members. And so basically what that is I'll just be able to throughout the day, when we get signals, when we get trades, I'll be kind of giving my insights onto if I like them, if I don't, this is what I would do instead, and things like that. And so there's a ton of other stuff that I already have inside the members portal. And some of the recent ones, I actually wanted to show you guys this. Some of the recent trades, AAL, PayPal, this was a firm. Here's some gold. It's been doing really well with gold, really good trading with gold. There's a nice little euro dollar trade. There's Litecoin. So we got Solana, we got Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, all those really good alts. And essentially what we're doing here is, let me actually zoom this up. And so essentially what it does is it's going to identify 6 different triangles. So the Tri-Signal Scanner is identifying 6 different triangles, and they are: number 1, a symmetrical triangle, which will be a long position, which is essentially what I just showed you, that one of those positions right there. Number 2, an ascending triangle, and it looks like that, and that's the ascending. That's essentially what that one would be. Number 3 is a descending wedge, which looks exactly like this on the chart. That's an ascending wedge. That's a nice buy trade, and that's a nice exit right there. Symmetrical triangle, which again looks exactly like that, a nice little symmetrical triangle. Number 5, descending triangle, and it just falls off a cliff just like that, just what it looks like. And number 6, we have an ascending wedge. And so 6 different triangles. So think about that. On let's just say Apple. On Apple, we are literally looking for 6 patterns constantly, all day, every day. Well, when the markets are open, obviously, it is searching for these triangle trades. So there's going to be a lot. There is a lot. The scanner is amazing. I love the scanner. But I do have some really cool stuff in there to show you guys how I like to trade these, specifically with options. I have a really awesome option strategy with it that you're gonna want to take a look at, especially if you're doing the stock ones. The crypto and forex I have kind of like a nice little guide for those as well. Um, and yeah, we just actually got another alert there. So this is, I just wanted to show basically everything that I'm offering here with the tri-signal scanner. So I'm going to offer the scanner, which is what you just saw. It's essentially the core engine behind it's exactly how it works. Is you're just gonna, I'll be able to map, you'll be able to map out everything with laser precision. That's kind of the idea. It's kind of the idea with these triangle trades, is to get in and get out quickly. And so I don't think triangle trades, you need to be in for days and days and days. A lot of these are very quick, very simple setups, and I have a lot of really cool updates. I have a lot of really cool updates for this that I think you guys are going to absolutely love. Anybody who jumps in. So right now, at the time of this video, this is early access. So what does early access mean? You're going to be getting this scanner, which is the stock scanner. So I'll be in, basically when these hit, also you see right there, that is the take profit alert. You'll be getting a take profit or a stop loss. So we have both levels. As soon as it hits one of those, you'll be getting one of those. You get the Forex scanner. So this is all the Forex pairs. So all you guys who are, so you're like, maybe I don't trade stocks, maybe I don't do crypto. Well, if you're into Forex, you're going to love this. You can actually just join the Forex, and you're welcome to, take a peek at the other ones if you're interested. But what I really wanted to do with this, and this is the crypto scanner, so obviously the same deal. It's going to look the exact same way. I could literally show you all the trades that just happened. But that's all three. So why all three? That's going to be a very big question. I'm doing all three, right? So why would I not share that? Because I know a lot of you guys, I've done countless surveys, and I've done a lot of research online just to see what everybody is, especially in our database, what everybody likes to trade. And a lot of you guys pretty much do everything. Get your hands, prop trading over here, or maybe options, this and that. And so I wanted to just basically just say, okay, early access, we're going to get access to everything. So that's what we're doing. A couple things that I added with this. There's a nice little quick start install guide. And so that's just basically just step 1, step 2. There's 4 steps how to get your alerts. We got the members only classes. I got a lot of those scheduled, so that's really cool. We got the accelerator training. And so I'm going to walk you through the most explosive triangle breakouts that I've ever seen. And I'm going to show you exactly how I spotted them before they move. So essentially what I'll do is I'll go on the charts. I'll be like, okay, this is exactly how it played out. This is where we got the alert. This is what I consider a grade A scenario. This is the good time to execute. And I'm going to be doing a lot of that stuff in there, in that training. So we got a little cheat sheet. So if you're kind of just, you're wanting to do, if you get an alert and you go in the chart and be like, I still don't know what that is, I got you a cheat sheet there. You'll know exactly what those patterns are, what they look like. And and you'll see all of them, all the 6 different ones. This is really cool. This is my the conversion blueprint, I'm calling it. And so, a lot of you guys are going to be trading options or Forex or with contracts or maybe some shares. So I kind of cover a little bit of everything and how you can play each of these positions. So I have a very specific option strategy with this because these trades are very quick. You're not going to be holding these trades for months, right? Most of these trigger within 3-day period, on average between 1 to 3 days. A lot of them are in and out the same day, which is really cool. Those are always fun to see and fun to get in and out of. And so I'm going to kind of cover a little bit of that. I have the replay lab. So the replay lab is essentially just how it plays out. So so how did we, execute this position? What position we get in? How did it look? What did it look like? Well, basically we'll kind of just uncover just exactly how you can be taking these trades every single day, step by step. So that's going to be really fun. I have a lot of stuff planned for the replay lab. So that's going to be exciting as we move forward with this. And that's basically what I have. I have a 30-day risk-free. Essentially, you try this thing for 30 days. And if you don't like it, then you don't like it. Give us a holler and we'll get you on your way. So that's essentially everything we got. The tri-signal scanner, the quick start, the secret. I didn't even mention that, the triangle trading secrets. which is a nice little bonus as well. So yeah, so we got pretty much everything. We got it all right here. Really excited, really excited about this, and I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it. I do have it starting at $297. So $297 is for a year access. So I know a lot of guys are like, well, what's the pricing point on this? This is literally for an entire year of access to this thing. There's a lot of data coming in every single day. It definitely isn't cheap. It definitely isn't free. And so we spend a lot of time, resources, and effort on these things. So that's pretty much what that is covering. And then also, if you are early access, I'm also including no renewal or subscription or anything like that, yearly, anything like that. We do have a $497 option right now for basically a lifetime membership. And so that will be something that you would want to check out if that is something that you are interested in. So actually, really fun, really cool. This is actually a really nice looking AMD trade, by the way. So I'll probably be considering this one. This is a really nice, I mean, just look how great that triangle pattern is. I would have not known that if it wasn't for my scanner. So really awesome. So good job. Tri Signal Pro. That's what it's called. Tri Signal Pro scanner. And I look forward to seeing a lot of you guys in there. I'll be talking with a lot of you, and there'll be some good stuff happening. I truly believe that. I love talking with members. I love all the feedback and things like that. So I know a lot of you guys have already done that over the last year now, and so I really look forward to see what you guys think of the Tri Scan or the Tri Signal. So let me know if you are interested. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email us at support@findbettertrades.com, or leave a comment if wherever this video is, if YouTube or whatever it is. Go ahead and leave us a comment. And yeah, that's it for me. So if you're interested, go ahead, check it wherever the link is, wherever the buttons are. And if this is something that you would be interested, go ahead and grab it. If not, then, that's okay. You can still enjoy a lot of the free stuff that we have going on. But this is something that I literally, I've been wanting to build this thing for so long. It's finally ready. It's finally done. And I love how it turned out. And I think you guys are going to too as well. So, all right, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.